Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a delicious journey to explore one of Peru's most iconic dishes, Lomo Saltado. But here's the twist, we've got some unknown facts about this mouth-watering Peruvian delight that you've probably never heard before. So, let's dive right in. Origins. Did you know that Lomo Saltado is a fusion of two incredible culinary worlds? It combines the flavors of Chinese stir-fry techniques with the bold, aromatic ingredients of traditional Peruvian cuisine. This delicious fusion dish originated in the bustling streets of Lima, where Chinese immigrants brought their wok cooking skills and blended them with local ingredients. Name origins. Now, let's talk about the name. Lomo Saltado literally translates to jumping loin. Why jumping, you ask? Well, it's because the dish is cooked quickly over high heat, causing the ingredients to jump in the pan as they sizzle away. The loin part refers to the tender strips of beef used in the recipe. French influence. You might be surprised to find French fries in your Lomo Saltado, but there's a historical reason for that. In the late 19th century, French cuisine had a significant influence on Peruvian cooking. That's why a traditional Lomo Saltado includes crispy French fries, adding a unique and delightful crunch to the dish. Essential ingredients. While the core ingredients of Lomo Saltado are beef, onions, tomatoes, and spices, the secret to its incredible flavor is the special sauce known as aderezo. This sauce typically contains soy sauce, vinegar, and Peruvian yellow chili peppers, infusing the dish with its signature umami and tangy kick. National dish status. Lomo Saltado holds a special place in the hearts of Peruvians. In fact, it's so beloved that it's often considered one of the national dishes of Peru, alongside ceviche and pollo a la brasa. It's a go-to comfort food for families and a must-try for tourists visiting this beautiful country. Peruvian-Chinese connection. Lomo Saltado is a true testament to the Peruvian-Chinese culinary connection. This fusion masterpiece was born in the Chinatown of Lima, where Chinese immigrants adapted their wok cooking techniques to incorporate local ingredients. It's the delicious result of cultural exchange. The sizzle factor. One of the secrets behind the incredible taste of Lomo Saltado is the sizzle factor. The dish is cooked over intensely high heat, which not only sears the meat quickly but also creates that mouth-watering caramelization that makes your taste buds dance. Lomo Saltado variations. While the classic Lomo Saltado features beef, did you know there are countless variations out there? Some Peruvian restaurants offer it with chicken, seafood, or even tofu for vegetarians. The versatility of this dish knows no bounds. Lomo Saltado stirring technique. The stir-fry technique used in Lomo Saltado is known as saltar in Spanish, which literally means to jump. Chefs execute this unique stir-fry by tossing the ingredients in the air using the pan, creating the signature jumping motion that ensures even cooking and flavor distribution. Lomo Saltado national holiday. Peruvians love Lomo Saltado so much that they've designated a day to celebrate it. November 20th is officially Lomo Saltado Day in Peru. Locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy this beloved dish, often accompanied by traditional Peruvian dances and music. Historical roots. Did you know that Lomo Saltado has been tantalizing taste buds for over a century? It made its debut in the late 19th century, during the height of Chinese immigration to Peru. It's a living testament to the rich history of Peruvian cuisine. Fusion, not confusion. Lomo Saltado is the ultimate fusion food, blending the best of Chinese stir-fry and Peruvian ingredients. The Chinese brought techniques like stir-frying and soy sauce, while Peru contributed its unique spices, potatoes, and chilies. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Magical potatoes? Potatoes play a crucial role in Lomo Saltado, and Peru is home to over 4,000 varieties of this versatile tuber. For Lomo Saltado, chefs often use Peruvian yellow potatoes, known as papas amarillas, which add a delightful creaminess to the dish. Ají Amarillo magic. The secret behind Lomo Saltado's kick is the ají amarillo, a vibrant yellow chili pepper native to Peru. It's known for its fruity, slightly spicy flavor and is used in countless Peruvian dishes. The ají amarillo gives Lomo Saltado its distinctive tang and warmth. Lomo Saltado's global reach. Lomo Saltado has transcended borders and has become a beloved dish worldwide. You can find variations of this Peruvian delight in countries as far-flung as the United States, Japan, and Spain, each with its unique twist. Lomo Saltado's world record. Lomo Saltado holds a unique world record. In 2019, Peru set the Guinness World Record for the largest serving of Lomo Saltado ever prepared. They made a whopping 6,724 pounds of this delicious dish at an event in Lima, showcasing its massive popularity. Peru's obsession with Lomo Saltado. Peruvians are so passionate about Lomo Saltado that it's not just a dish, it's a cultural phenomenon. You can find Lomo Saltado-themed merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and even keychains in Peru, proving its status as a culinary icon. Lomo Saltado diplomacy. Lomo Saltado has even played a diplomatic role. It's been served at official state functions, and world leaders, including former U.S. President Barack Obama, have enjoyed this Peruvian delight during their visits to Peru. Versatility in protein choices. While beef is the classic choice for Lomo Saltado, Peruvian chefs are known for their culinary creativity. You can find Lomo Saltado made with a wide range of proteins, including alpaca, llama, and even ostrich, depending on the region and available ingredients. Lomo Saltado festivals. In Peru, Lomo Saltado is celebrated at various food festivals throughout the year. These festivals bring together chefs and food enthusiasts to showcase their unique interpretations of this classic dish, making it a true gastronomic celebration. Now that we're armed with these fascinating facts, it's time to roll up our sleeves and whip up some mouth-watering Lomo Saltado. And there you have it, amigos. Lomo Saltado, a dish that's more than just food. It's a cultural phenomenon, a culinary adventure, and a source of national pride for Peru. We hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts and are inspired to try your hand at making this extraordinary dish. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more mouth-watering adventures from around the world. Hasta la próxima!